Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to take a photo with camera timer on Android 15 beta. To do it, open camera app and then to take a photo with a timer countdown, click on the settings here in bottom left corner and then choose a timer. You can set it to off, 3 seconds or 10 seconds. Let's take a photo with 3 seconds timer. You can see the countdown is on and then it takes a photo after 3 seconds. It also indicates the timer with a flashlight on the back of your device. Let's take a photo. You can see it indicates the timer. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.